Before Staba's intro, I have to say I'm as curious about this episode as you, since I know nothing. I was invited to talk nonsense and cut and do things, but Sebastian has a plan.
Here we have a person who will help me. And basically, folks, the idea is that we want to present to you 4 recipes with fire. These will be dishes that you serve flaming or set on fire right before serving. And for the purposes of this video, this is a special culinary torch.
Sebastian is ready for the fire topic. Let's start with the first.
Banana Foster or bananas with Foster. I'm not sure how to translate it, but basically they're flaming bananas. So fire up the pan and light it up.
But strong or...
Or we'll decide if it's strong. I'd go with medium because...
So you don't know how?
I do.
Melt the butter.
Melt the butter. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar and a pinch of cinnamon, but in such a way that you get a slightly caramelized sauce, but it can't burn.
Today's Po Bite Gary will involve some cooking. I like it, but I'm a bit worried about the flambeing.
That we won't set it on fire?
I saw you got 42% rum. I don't know much about it. Let's see.
42% rum.
I really don't know much about this at all.
If you try to ignite 42% rum, it won't light. But if you warm it slightly, not boil it, the alcohol will catch fire.
All right, 3 beds.
No, just a little.
How many spoons?
3 tablespoons, not teaspoons, tablespoons.
1, 2.
I added extra cinnamon since a pinch wasn't visible.
All right, and we know last time we overdid it with the cinnamon and it was...
And what? And it was good. You need to put the bananas in and fry them on each side for a minute or 2.
We fry the bananas in butter, sugar, and cinnamon.
Here, the rum will already be prepared.
You need to pour it in here.
Not butter, it can't go here.
There's too little here.
No, the point was to melt and caramelize the sugar here.
No, it won't work like that because it turned out kind of...
Maybe it needs to be on there longer.
Can we just leave it like that?
We'll offer a crunchy sauce version.
Crunchy.
And do you want butter as well or not?
Yeah, I don't really know, not really.
I'll give it to you, but you might just not use it. And the most interesting part is that you'll need to lower the heat a bit later, pour in the rum, but not onto a hot pan, and then we can light it up and serve. I'll get a nice plate ready.
So, are we heating it up or what?
But it's not hot, right? You just pour in 50 milliliters, warm it and light it.
All right, we've got some here. I'm pouring it in, okay?
Go ahead, Melina. It needs to be warmer. Let's heat it up.
Oh, all right, it's burning. Let's put it out. Lights. That's a rocket. Damn, that's a plastic handle, Staba.
Blow it out. Sorry, I forgot the handle is plastic.
And now what?
Marcin, honestly, this rum is too strong. It shouldn't burn so much.
But what now?
Well, we should put it on a plate. What do you think?
Okay, you tell me so it hurts. No! Oh, it went out.
No, but it was burning so strongly just a moment ago.
All right.
Oh, because you shook it, you have to shake it and look how it burns.
Okay, I'll leave it on the plate.
They're too thin. Try this instead. They'll fall apart. The banana is good. It's meant to be soft.
The family as well. I'm pouring sauce.
But wait, which one do you want to pour?
From the usual one, I guess. I'm so excited. I love cooking Staba, not just messing around.
What smells so good here?
Wait,
what would you pay for this dish?
Holidays. Is it the look or the taste?
You don't know the taste. I do want. This is a great question. Question for look, you're judging.
All right. That's a good question.
Awesome question. From The View. Can you give me a tenner?
Can you give me a tenner?
36.
Wow. Okay, watch this now.
And now 23.
Awesome. Great, yeah.
I'll tell you, with a waiter like that, damn, this business won't make it.
No, let's just sprinkle it.
Go ahead and pour that spoonful.
Careful, I'm pouring.
No, carefully.
I'm pouring.
It evaporated.
I'm pouring. Woo!
Look, awesome.
And the frying pan is still $22.90.
But that's how it's watered. I thought you'd water it here.
That's why I asked.
No, because it won't evaporate here.
You saw and believe it.
All right.
Believe it, the cinnamon scent is so strong I know there will be sugar and cinnamon.
But,
What happened to the banana?
These bananas are average.
hey, this banana is kind of...
Oh, damn.
Hey, this banana tastes like Silesian dumplings.
But can we agree that it's a bit the banana's fault because this banana was mediocre?
These bananas are awful.
Now you take vanilla ice cream, serve it to your future girlfriend and say, don't eat yet. Marzenka, what a silly name. Marzena, wait, and then put sugar, butter, cinnamon in a pan and like this.
And 2 shots.
Listen, you light it up, then you come up to her with it flaming, pour it over, and she texts all her friends saying, man, I've got a world champion, I've got...
A burned face.
But there's vanilla ice cream here. I even forgot about it. We got so excited.
Where's the vanilla ice cream? Seriously?
There is,
Then it must have been me.
because of the fire.
So I had to invent the fiancé story?
Yeah, let's add that too. Now you're adding ice cream.
Oh.
Nothing!
Virgin?
Because there's a second bucket there.
Impossible.
Well, we know what's gonna be there.
It's impossible to be on a diet in this company.
Oh,
We're going all out.
this is gonna be, let me tell you, this is gonna be it.
Oh no.
Fight!
Oh no.
No.
I had a good impression of that future fiancé.
Toffee or something like that.
Toffee?
Tasty. Let's continue.
Let's go. Next recipe. So now I'm telling you, we cut the halloumi cheese into slices about 1 to 1.5 centimeters thick, then coat it in flour and fry it until it's brown. We flour the slices and pan fry them,
We coat them in flour.
these sliced pieces.
I've never coated halloumi in flour.
Well, I even have a coating set here.
I'll take it. Don't hold it long. Like this.
We just want to heat up the olive oil now.
And what is the lemon for?
At the very end, when everything stops burning, a bit of lemon.
This episode covers easy ways to impress. Sure, give me the smaller ones. That's fine.
Right, it got a bit messed up, but never mind.
Regular flour.
Wheat flour, grandmas, don't worry.
What? Can you put something on it?
Yeah, if the oil is warm and lightly browned, just a light brown.
The pan is warped and overheated since everything moved to the edge.
Honestly, now it's gonna be boring, right?
We'll cut and return shortly.
Unga bunga.
Primoz, I'm watching Flash. For a moment, he just stood there. He sensed it.
You have something similar.
Here we're using rum again because we have it, but generally it also works really well with brandy.
Hey, it'll catch fire in the glass.
What is that, Osipek?
It's warm, it might explode. Try it.
It'll be good halloumi cheese. Kuba, be careful.
Jesus, what a taste.
5, it's going to be beautiful soon.
Now it's turning browner.
Hey, these dishes are impressive.
Nice.
You guys are taking these battered pots to a whole new level.
Oh, look.
Come on, toss it.
Come on, make them spin.
Spin it, do it like in a normal one. Come on, show us, wait, show us.
The spoon is burning.
Wait, show it.
Oh man, it went out
How did you get that idea?
from my head.
Did you sprinkle it yet?
Yes, I've already sprinkled it.
But thoroughly?
Yes.
Sour.
I have this soup.
I've never eaten anything like this before.
I was expecting something sweet, I don't know why.
But I think the alcohol should be burning off by now.
I'd say this is some kind of chicken for people who don't eat meat. I don't know what this is. I eat a lot of halloumi. I add it to many things. I often eat it grilled.
And what about salt? If he had added a bit of salt, I think it's missing salt. I think the cooking time was too short, the frying too.
He wants something but doesn't know which way to go.
Well, he's like a beginner student at a culinary school. He wanted to be creative, but the teacher said, don't overthink it, just follow instructions. Nice.
Are cranberries available? Dried. No, cranberries, you know.
And with lemon, it doesn't really go together.
Oh no, I don't have that kind here.
Wait, don't eat that yet. Do you have any gel, like jam or something?
Because cranberry kind of tastes like ossipek.
No!
Yeah, I don't know. Damn cherry jam.
He said jam.
Well, no, maybe it'll be good. And now it's Highlander style. I'll tell you, it's awesome.
No.
It's getting chilly outside, so that's cool.
Come on, come on.
Better for bulking.
So that was the right direction.
Very good.
I would serve it with this.
That's how it's done. We messed up and ate it all without it.
If you need anything, just call me.
He didn't mess up. Primoz told us too late.
If you need anything, call me. I'm always in the kitchen from 4 to 4:30 and have plenty of experience.
I'm washing the dishes.
I'm washing.
Ha ha ha. We use a thick-walled glass like this. If you don't like it, that's fine, since it's just for the microwave.
Should I pour it in here?
No.
Oh, okay.
Coffee comes after the brandy, but to avoid buying brandy just for this recipe, we'll use rum instead.
And what now?
So we pour it in nicely here.
Artur, wait, come here for a second. Well, look at this.
30 milliliters of this liqueur now, so I'll pour it and we'll transfer it to our glasses.
20 to 30 is a full shot.
2 teaspoons of sugar. You have the spoons prepared here too.
2 tablespoons of sugar. Shit. It's here. How am I supposed to stir this?
Okay, put this in the microwave and just warm it up. It shouldn't be too hot. And now, listen, Martin, you light it up and to put it out, you pour coffee over it.
Wow, that's beautiful.
1 Staba.
But we pour 2. You have coffee and coffee.
Is he excited?
Give it here, all right?
Come on.
I'm pouring coffee over it now.
Keep pouring coffee over it.
Oh, my charm is gone.
Whipped cream and orange zest.
But it will be... What's happening? You nearly burned my eyebrows.
Yeah, sorry, that's my fault.
Nice.
I spilled it terribly.
That's just the way it's served. A restaurant, right?
Drink however you like.
Boom, boom, boom.
For the viewers, both ladies and gentlemen.
This isn't coffee, it's a coffee drink.
Wow, if you gave me this, I wouldn't know what to say.
You wouldn't drink it, but your wife would.
And then you just sit down like that.
You but like this.
This rum has 3 notes, warms you up, but uses less rum. As you said, Staba, invite a girl you barely know, promise great coffee, set out 2, light them, and wait.
And she's like, oh,
And you're like, whoa, I know.
Don't be afraid. Light it up like us. Woom!
One thing I just remembered I forgot, guys, how you can act crazy around this girl.
drink from a plate.
Drink from a plate.
Oh, but brief sparks of joy.
Not enough.
I'll be full of your Copperfield.
Look, and at the end there are these, you light them up and do this. Very good. I rated a 7 in this form. I think today we can get an 8 out of this coffee.
Yes, because it's very...
Sure, just refine it a bit more.
Triple sec really works well here, right?
Yes, let's move on to the next one. Unfortunately, it's the last.
Yes, but there will also be flames. And now we have a drink called Flaming Dr. Pepper, but we don't have Dr. Pepper.
Is that supposed to be something in this episode?
Here you have a choice, because let me tell you this. Generally, rum is used. I'd like to use this, but there might be a problem because it's a liqueur, it's heavy, it'll sink to the bottom, and it won't catch fire. We just pour the beer into the glass, 3/4 full. Light beer, light colored beer, that's not 3/4. And now for now, we just set this aside. We take the amaretto.
Amaretto, is that going to burn too?
No, actually it doesn't burn. Using the crib to the very top, we try to gently add something that burns, for example, this rum. And that's when you really need to have, 0 shaky hands here.
Staba, I think it's better if you pour it along the side like this.
I think you're absolutely right. It's pouring already, go ahead. We need to pour a little more. Now I'll try it myself. Okay, alright, and now it should burn nicely. And yet it doesn't want to burn beautiful, right?
Beautiful. That was the best I could do.
But I would have poured it out, splash. Bravo, probably too much beer. You definitely shouldn't throw it in that hard.
Alright, so what now?
And now you just drink it like normal. It tastes like beer with a hint of juice, similar to what Primus did. The amaretto isn't noticeable. There's just a subtle different juice flavor, not quite raspberry.
The amaretto is still there, but I think it's a great idea for a beer with amaretto.
Yeah, but you can't just do it like that, pouring out 1/3 of the beer like some idiot.
You can't just do it like that with the glass breaking inside,
That's another thing.
but I think...
Will triple sec work for that? Will it float since it's 30%?
No, I think that's it. And I may have accidentally taken an awesome mix. Oh, chocolate nutty beer. It's the same thing. No, try it.
And what did you pour in here?
Well, you'll tell me.
This is better.
Better.
But what did you pour in here? Because I didn't see.
That's the point.
Damn, what is this?
Watch and review our movie, guys. A bit... what?
He didn't make it up.
And I didn't say who made it up.
A popular Dr. Pepper style drink mix.
Yeah, right.
Into a pint glass from a beer.
Yes.
You pour in a shot of amaretto, sometimes with a bit of cola. It tastes slightly almondy, like cola with almonds.
I never claimed to invent it. I just said I don't know why it's called Flaming Dr. Pepper.
I wanted to say that you invented it.
No.
Good beer.
Let's drink. We finally know who the snitch is. Cheers.
It's Dr. Pepper. It tastes fine, just like you.
Too much amaretto for me, but it really changes everything.
Not bad.
This is better than raspberry.
Wow, this beats juice.
Than everything.
I don't drink beer with juice because I just don't like it.
But now with this, you would drink it?
Amaretto is too sweet for me, but this makes it less so.
Amaretto is 21%. Hey, subscribe and hit the bell so you see us. This is a turbo book for the price of a kebab. See you next time. We're cleaning up because it smells like beer.